Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister of India and a towering figure in Indian politics and economics, passed away on Thursday at the age of 92. Known as the architect of India's economic liberalization, Singh's visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to economic reforms reshaped the nation's destiny, propelling it onto the global stage as a thriving economy. Singh, who was Prime Minister between 2004 and 2014 and Finance Minister between 1991 and 1996, was being treated for age-related medical conditions and had a sudden loss of consciousness while he was at home. Condolences poured in as the elderly statesman bid adieu to life, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who succeeded Singh in 2014, said, "India mourns the loss of one of its most distinguished leaders." As many as 38 people were killed after an Azerbaijan Airlines passenger plane crashed near Kazakhstan, Aktau city on Christmas Day. The plane, which had 62 passengers and 5 crew members on board, crashed after being forced to make an emergency landing about 3 kilometers from Aktau. The Embraer 190 aircraft was en route from Azerbaijan's capital Baku to Grozny, a Russian city in the North Caucasus. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met with the United States National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan in Washington, D.C. on Thursday. In a post on X, Jaishankar said that the two leaders held wide-ranging discussions on the progress of the India-US strategic partnership and exchanged views on current regional and global developments. S. Jaishankar is visiting the US from December 24th to December 29th. The External Affairs Minister will meet counterparts to discuss key bilateral, regional and global issues. During the visit, Jaishankar will also chair a conference of the Consuls General of India in the US. A social media influencer and a radio jockey, Simran Singh from Jammu and Kashmir, died by suicide on Wednesday in her rented apartment in Gurugram. Simran was brought to the hospital where she was declared dead. In the preliminary investigation, it was suspected that Simran Singh allegedly died by suicide. The police did not find any suicide note from Simran's flat, nor did Simran's family file any complaint against anyone. Star India batter Virat Kohli is once again making headlines in Australia amid the Boxing Day test at the Melbourne Cricket Ground against Australia. As the legendary batter battles poor form, he is making headlines not only for his form concerns but also for his heated on-field confrontation with debutant Australian opener Sam Constas. Virat was fined 20% of his match fee and handed one demerit point by the ICC. The incident opened the floodgates of some negative press for Virat from Aussie media. The back page of the West Australian newspaper called Virat a clown has gone viral on social media. Speaking on 7 Cricket, former Australian captain Ricky Ponting also argued that the fine was not harsh enough.